fishing?
Ugh, what a mess. What is up, fishing fam? It's been a couple weeks now and we are ready to do the giveaway. I'm actually at our property right now doing a little honey-do for the wifey. As you can see, our property here, we've got some walls up. Let me show you. You get focused in here. Yeah, check it out. Actually, you're making some progress here. I think next on the list is actually to put up some of the framing and all that good stuff. So things are moving along here. Pretty exciting. But yeah, stick around. I'm gonna do the giveaway here in a second. After I saw up some of these slabs for the wifey, she wanted some circular little slabs or something. I don't know what she's doing, some kind of decorating, whatever. Here we are on the inside. We got 9-foot walls in the basement and 9-foot upstairs, so hopefully it's gonna feel pretty roomy. Right here is where my gym's gonna be. And right over here is where my office is gonna be. I'm gonna have a legit office setup to do these videos and do my videography work. It's pretty darn exciting, if I do say myself. But look at these trees, guys. Fall is in full effect here. They are just looking gorgeous. I also have some more exciting news for you guys. Mike from Woollybugged and I are going to be taking a trip up close to Lake Erie to do some fishing for some steelhead. And that is pretty awesome because, full honesty, I've never really fished outside of West Virginia that much. So I've never fished for steelhead. I've never even casted an 8-weight. So this is going to be a lot of firsts for me, but I am really excited to film some of this stuff for you guys, and you know, hopefully I'll get my personal best fish on this trip. But that's in a week, I think, a week from this weekend coming up, November 11th. We'll be doing that, so that is awesome. I am pumped. She said she wanted 10 of them. You know what they say, happy wife, happy life, right? I like the size of this one. Let's see if this thing will start. It's been a while. This is actually a assist pull saw. I'd rather have just a regular pull system, but hey, this works. Got a little fire there. There she is. There she is. alive! Alright, I got my job done. Whew. Got her 12 slabs. She asked for 10. I'll go above and beyond. I got her 12. The moment you guys have all been waiting for. You saw me cutting up those little strips of paper earlier. I was gonna use like an app, like one of those random selector apps, they're like a, you put all the names in and you spin the wheel and it selects one, but there was just so many of you guys that the app could only do like 15, you can only put 15 names in, so I had to get my arts and crafts skills back up at it and cut up these pieces of paper and put your names on them. I try to do it as fair as possible, make the paper all the same size. All right guys, take my hat off. Here's all the names here. Beep, beep. All right, I think that's all the names. Okay, I'm gonna swish them up. I'm not looking. I'm not looking. No favoritism here. All right, here we go. Swamp Stalker. What's up, man? You won the drawing. You won the giveaway. Swamp Stalker. All right. All right, brother man, Swamp Stalker, you won the River Tactical Flies gift certificate and fly box. I appreciate all of you guys entering the contest. It really means a lot to me that you guys watch these videos and I can somewhat be entertaining to y'all, so thank you so much. And Swamp Stalker, I'll leave my Instagram in the description of the video, and you get a hold of me, message me through that, and I'll get your address and I'll send that stuff out to you right away. And once again, if you guys need some flies or just want to help support some of these guys over at River Tactical Flies, they do a lot for our local streams. Like I said, they're always doing something good for the habitat and doing cleanups and organizing events. They're just some really good dudes. So I'll put their website down in the description again. Like I said, if you guys could go over there and buy a couple flies off of them, help support these dudes. They're really good dudes. And I appreciate you entering the giveaway. And stay tuned for the next video where I'll be up at somewhere near Lake Erie. I haven't really got all the details from Mike yet, but check his channel out too. It's Woolly Bugged. And until next time, peace out.